The Commission is urging the government to demonstrate political will to address conflicts that result in sexual violence. South Sudan's government says it is...
These atrocities are carried out by armed groups and also members of the armed forces. And authorities have told us that they lack the resources to deal with the issue conclusively.
This is the reality. South Sudan's judiciary is not functioning. It is severely under-resourced, have not the money or the personnel or the distribution in the territory, lack the means to be impartial and independent, and in most parts of the country has not effective presence.